All right. Show some love for Kane. Now there's 4 elements in hip hop. There's graph art, there's dancing, there's turntablism, and there's MCing, which is what I'm doing right now. We're gonna give him a challenge. We're gonna get him to finish this board by the end of the night. You think he can do it? Let's give him some energy so he can do it. Make some noise. Yeah. A special shout out to Joel as well. He did that. That's silly. You ready? Left hand side. You got this? DJ, let's do this. Oh. Whoa. Clap your hands, everybody. Clap your hands, everybody.
Hey, yo, Tim, man. It's the jump off right here, man. Whoa. It's the jump off. I've been gone for a minute, now I'm back with the jump off. Goons in the club, case something jump off. Back up for the high, but the pumps off. In the graveyard is with
somebody scream.
All we wanna do is party.
Maximus.
The Barbie, Black Barbie dressed in Bulgari. Try to leave in somebody's Ferrari. Spread love, that's what a real mob do. Keep it gangster, look out for the people. I'm the wicked bitch of these. You better keep the peace.
Round 2.
Out come the breeze. We the best, still is room for improvement. Our presence is felt like a black panther movement. 7/4 to 8, back to back with a chrome. 7
Make some noise.
With the Bentley, is the Benz. Escalation,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, come on, make some noise. I'm just gonna call out our regions.